This video shows how to launch the temperature sample application on IBM Bluemix using the IBM Streams runner for Apache Beam. You must have already set up a streaming analytics service, downloaded the runner, and created credentials as shown in the videos: creating a streaming analytics service on IBM Bluemix, downloading and installing IBM Streams runner for Apache Beam, and creating a credentials file for the streaming analytics service on IBM Bluemix. On a Linux system where the IBM Streams runner for Apache Beam has been installed, change directory to the runner's home and you can see the samples directory. The directory also contains a template.vcap file and a demo.vcap credentials file that was prepared earlier using the instructions in the README. The name of the service in the demo.vcap file is demo-service, as we can see by looking at the name parameter. Make sure that you have this service started on Bluemix by checking the Bluemix dashboard. Change to the samples directory. The README file, in either Markdown or HTML format, contains details about setting up and running the samples, including more details about creation of the credentials file, setup of environment variables, and launching the samples. To build on Bluemix, unset the environment variable streams_install. If you do not do this and Streams is installed on the system you are using, as it is here, then the Beam runner will attempt to build using that local Streams instance. That can cause problems if the OS and Streams versions are not appropriate for deploying to Bluemix, so it's easiest to build on Bluemix itself. Source the Streams runner env.sho file to set some basic variables: Streams runner home and Streams Beam toolkit, which point to the installation directory and the toolkit directory respectively. Set the vcap services environment variable to point to the demo credentials vcap file shown above. Set the streaming analytics service name environment variable to the service name we used in it. Finally, the launch command for the temperature sample application can be cut and pasted from the readme.md file. When the Java command is run, it submits the code for the sample to Bluemix to build. When the build is finished, the compiled job is submitted to the service specified by the credentials file, and you can see the job ID assigned to your job so you can identify it in the console. Once the job is running, the main thread of the sample application will start polling metrics from the application and printing them to the terminal. You can monitor your job in the Streams console on Bluemix. The console is launched from the Manage Service page on your Bluemix dashboard. The console is a powerful tool that is explored in more detail in the video Monitoring Beam Applications using the IBM Streams console.